Okay, so I'm going to start on 22. I'm a big proponent of do what you can because you can. So I'm going to start marking some things up. So it tells me that angle E is 70 degrees. So let's mark that in there. JH and FH are bisecting the exterior angles. So they're taking this exterior angle and they're cutting it into two equal pieces. They're taking this exterior angle and they're cutting it into two equal pieces. Notice that I'm putting different tick marks on them because I don't know if those are congruent or not. Then it's telling me to find the measure of angle H. Okay, so let's do what we can because we can. So this might not work. Let's try some stuff, right? So the first thing I like to do is pick an angle, pick any angle, and we're going to call it X. Now, I don't like to make things messy, so we're going to try and put everything in terms of that X. Okay, so what I mean by that is the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this triangle right here, and I can figure out how big this angle is because this angle has to be 180 minus 70 minus X, which means this angle right here is 110 minus X. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is find this big blue angle right here. And that big blue angle right here has to be 180 degrees minus this little bitty pink angle right here. Okay, because the pink and the blue together have to equal 180. To find the blue angle, I would do 180 minus the pink angle. You know what? I'll show it in the actual color because I think that's going to help. Okay, so that blue angle right there is going to be 70 plus X. But it's divided into two, divided by 2 for each of those pieces. So 35 plus 1/2 X for each of those. Okay, so each of these blue pieces, 35 plus 1/2 X, 35 plus 1/2 X. And again, I'm just doing stuff hoping that this works. If it doesn't, we'll try something else. Looking up here, I'll do this as kind of the green angle right here. I'm going to find this angle. So the entire green angle would be 180 minus that purple X right there. But again, I'm splitting it into two. So each of the pieces are 90 minus 1/2 X, 90 minus 1/2 X, 90 minus 1/2 X. And I am looking for angle H right here. So angle H is if you add it together with one of these green angles right here. So H plus that green angle plus this blue angle right here, it's going to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so that's my triangle. I'm pulling out this triangle right here. And we're going to see if we can make some magic. Okay, so what I would have to do to solve for H is I would have to subtract that green angle and subtract the blue angle from 180. So if you want me to plug it in so you can see what I'm actually doing. So H plus the green angle, 90 minus 1/2 X, plus the blue angle, 35 plus 1/2 X, and that all has to equal 180. I'm going to put it over here because I'm running out of room. Oh, you know what, guys? So smart. Cut it and move it over. Okay, so again, this is equal to 180 degrees. So all I did there was this green piece, this blue piece, and angle H added together to equal 180. I see that this negative 1/2 and positive 1/2 cancel. So I have angle H plus, combine the 90 and 35, 125 equals 180. Subtract 125 from both sides. Angle H is 55 degrees. So that's the first part, part A. Okay, I know it seems challenging. You're basically going to recreate these, except instead of having that 70 degrees, you're just going to call it angle E. Okay, so instead of this 70, you're just substituting an angle E. Okay, and that's how you would come up with the formula for part B. All right, I think this is enough, and I want you guys to try part B.